Good morning, everyone. In previous class, we have learned about statistics and also data, what is data, primary data, and what is secondary data, isn't it? So let's move on to exercise 4.2. In that, we have completed 3 problems. Fourth one I have given for homework. Move to next, fifth one. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide is in the air in the parts per million ppm. So of a certain city, the data obtained for 30 days is as follows. They have given the data for 30 days. What they have given for 30 days? They have given concentration of sulfur dioxide. Let me write the data what they have given. They have given for 30 days. They have given for 30 days. What they have given? 30 days. They have given concentration of sulfur acid. Sulfur dioxide, right? Sulfur dioxide. Let me write the data. In the first row, they have given 6 columns and 5 rows. So totally 32. Sorry, 30. 6 5s are 30. So in the first row, they have given 6 numbers, that is 0.03. Let me start from here. So 0.03, 0.08. After that, they have given 0.08, 0.09, 0.04, 0.17. The next row, 0.16, 0.05, 0.02, 0.06, 0.18, 0.20, 0.11, 0.8, 0.12, 0.13, 0.22, and then 0.07. This is for the third row. For the next fourth row, 0.08, 0.01, 0.10, 0.06, 0.09, 0.18. So 0.11, 0.07, 0.05, 0.07, 0.01, 0.04. So this is it is recording, no? Yes, what we have written 5 rows. Next, move on to 6th row. 0. Let me check. 4th row, I have written 0.08, 0.01, and 0.10, 0.06, 0.09, 0.18. Last row, 0.11, 0.07, 0.05, 0.07, 0.01, and 0.04. So, how to verify whether you have written total number of days? So, as I told you, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 columns. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. 6 5s are 30. So you have written 30 numbers. But while writing the numbers, see, take time to write the numbers. If you have missed something else, the data will be different, isn't it? Why? Because to write the frequency, you need correct number, isn't it? So while writing, take time. It's okay to take time. So next, what we have to do for the first one, what they have given, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data with the class intervals as 0.00 to 0.04, comma 0.04 to 0.08 and so on. They have given the class intervals. We need to follow that one. So if they have not given, you can take. That's your choice. But if they have mentioned, means you have to take only that class interval. So what we need to take class interval? What you'll write in this class interval? You need to write the sulfur dioxide concentration. These are the sulfur dioxide concentration in ppm. They have given what is ppm, part per million. So they have given. So this is the class interval. What you have to write here? Concentration of this sulfur dioxide. They have given what you have to take, what group, what range you have to take. They have given clearly. The range should be vary from 0.00 to 0.04. This is the range. So whatever the numbers you have come across between 0.00 to 0.04. But in the next, what they have given 0.04 to 0.08. If they have given like this, observe. In the first row, they have given 0.04. In the next row also, they have taken same number, isn't it? When they have taken upper limit, what is the lower limit is? In the first row, what is the lower limit? So lower limit is 0.00. Upper limit is 0.04. Upper means which has the highest. Lower means least. So 0.00 is the lower limit, and the upper limit is 0.04 is the upper limit. When you observe the second row, so 0.04 become the lower limit. It has become the lower limit, isn't it? Because it is starting from 0.04, it has become a lower limit, and 0.08 become upper limit. So it is repeated. So that's why, so here what you have to do is, you have to take the numbers 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. Why we are not considering 0.04 here? Because anyhow we are considering that number in second row. So don't take here. If you taken 2 times, it will be wrong. Okay, so don't take here. Anyhow, we are getting the same number in the second row. So leave that 0.04. So let me take, if you leave that number, so you have to take till 0.03. So what you have to do, you have to check for 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. In this table you have to check, in this data you have to check it. That is, you have to count it. For this number, if you come across with this number in this data, you have to count it and you have to write it in frequency. You can also write tally marks for this. Let me write the frequency. So I'm writing for the first row, that is 0.0 to 0.04. So count it from the beginning. You have to go row wise or column wise. Either you have to go for row wise or column wise. Got it? Don't make confusion. Don't get confusion. See here. What is the starting number? 0.03. You get it here, isn't it? So 1, 0.8, 0.08, no, 0.9. So check it for less than 4. Less than 4 means it is not equal to 4 or not more than 4. So less than 4, check it for less than 4. Second row, less than 4 here. Less than 4, third row. Less than 4, fourth row. Less than 4 here. Less than 4, fifth row. Less than 4. So here. So don't take equals to 4 also. As I told you, it will include in the next row. So count it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I have made it. No, so there are 4 numbers which have 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 numbers. So next move to 0.04 to 0.8. As I told you, 0.04, it is the lower limit. So 0.08. Next, what you have to write? 0.08 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to take till 12. That is 0.12. We have to take till 12. So observe the range. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Like 4 ones are tables, you have to take. So next, observe, since 0.08 is repeated in the row, what you have to do is here, leave the 0.08, less than 0.8, you have to take more than, including 0.4 and less than 0.8. You have to take. Why? Because in the third row, you will get 0.08. So when I'll write the numbers, so what are the numbers you have to take? 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. So how many numbers are there? 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07. So 0.8 is not included as I told. Now what you have to do, you have to check for this number in this given data. Start from row wise or column wise. Let me take row wise only. 0.04, 4, 5, 6, 7. Search for 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I got 1 I have got. Next 0.5. Here I have got one more. 0.06. Here I have got one more. Next row. 0.08. Don't take it as I told. It is equal to 0.08. You have to take less than 0.08. So move to next 0.07. You can take it. So next 0.08, not 0.06. Take it. So 0.07, take that. 0.05, take that. 0.07, take that. So how many written? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to write in tally max? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. These are the 4. When you do like this, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. So what are the repeated numbers? Which is frequency is 8. So do it for the next. Similarly, you can do it for the next. Check it once. So 0.4, between 0.4 to 0.4 to 8, right? 4, 5, 6, 7. No, don't take 8. What we have taken in the 1, 2, 3. So 3 completed. Next, this one you can take. Don't take this one. This one you can take. And this one you can take. This one you can take. This one also you can take. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more is missing. Check the numbers again. 0.03, 0.08, 0.08, 0.09, 0.04, 0.17. First row is correct. 0.16, 0.05, 0.02, 0.06, 0.18, 0.20. Third row, 0.11, 0.08, 0.12, 0.13, 0.22, 0.07. Next, move to 0.08, 0.01, 0.10, 0.06, 0.09, 0.18. Last row 0.11, 0.07, 0.05, 0.07, 0.01, 0.04. I have laid this now. So take this one also. You have to include in this second row, isn't it? So you have to take this one also. When you take this one, so you have to include 0.04 in this. So when you take, it becomes 9. It becomes 9. So move to next row. Move to next row. 0.08 to 0.12. What we have to take? What are the numbers we have to take? You have to take, as I told you, this 0.08 becomes the lower limit and 0.12 becomes the upper limit. So next, what is the range? You will get 0.22 means you have to continue. So 0.12, 0.16. So this again, the 0.12 will come in the next row. So leave 0.12. So what are the numbers you have to take then? 0.08, 0.09, 0.10, 0.11. So 0.08, 0.09, 0.10, 0.11. 0.12 not included. It will be included in the next row. So again, we'll rub it, the circles. So while reading the decimal numbers, you know how to read it. You have to read 0.16. Don't read that as 0.16. Don't do such mistakes, okay? So now we have eraser so that you can easily recognize. So you carefully see the numbers. So what are the numbers you have to look here? So 0.08, 0.09, 0.10 and 0.11. Start from the first row, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10 and 11. So check it for 8, 9, 10, 11. Here I have got 8. Here, here. The next row. Can I get 8, 9, 10, 11? No. Move to next, third row. I'll get 11, 8. So this is 0.07. No. This the next fourth. I'll get it. 0.8. So 0.10 and 0.09. The last row. 0.11. So count it now. 1, 2, 3 in the first row. Second row, you won't get any numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are there? There are 9. Similarly, move for the next one. Cleared? It's cleared. So you have to look for these numbers as I told. Don't include the last upper limit. Why? Because they already repeated. It will be repeated in the next row, in the first. So that's why don't repeat this 0.1, 2. Except this, you can leave. You can search for these numbers. Next, move to next row. So we have to rub this. Also, you can write, if you have not put the circle, also you can do what? You just take tally marks. It will be easy. I'll show it for the next row. So rub that so that you won't get confusion. So let me take like tally marks for the next one. So they have given, so as I told you, we have to do for the fourth row, isn't it? We have to do it for the fourth row. Move 0.12 to 0.16. As I told you, leave the 0.16. So include, for this one I am writing 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15. Why you are not included 0.16? Because it will come in the next row, 0.16. So let me take these numbers, search it here, 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15. 0.16 will come in the next row. Search it, begin from the first row, search for 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you get 12, 13, 14, 15 in the first row? No, you won't get it. Move for the second row. So 0.16. So you don't want to consider this, isn't it? As I told, it will come in the next row. Leave that 0.16. Next. No, in the third row. So you have 0.11, 0.12 here we have got. So let me take here. So 0.12 you have got one number and 0.13. So I have got another one. So I want next move to fourth row. When you search it in the fourth row, you won't get any numbers. So next, last row. 11, sorry, 12, 13, 14, 15. No. So you have only 2, isn't it? So you have only 2. Why? So this is the tally marks. How will you read? 1, 2. So you have only 2 numbers. That is this one, that is 0.12 here and 0.13 here. So you will only get these 2 numbers. So that is 2. Move to next. What is the interval, class interval for the next? So when you take the size 0.16 to 0.18, here class size I have taken, no class intervals. So what, as I told you, what you have to start from, what is the lower limit is 0.16. So you have to start from 0.16, 0.17, 0.6. No, you have to take 4 intervals. So I mean 4 is the size. So you have to take, as I told, 4 ones are tables. So 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Next 4 fives are 20. You have to take. So for 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, 0.19. So leave this 0.20. Why? Because we have to take in the next row. That's why. So now look for these numbers in this. Look for 16, 17, 18, and 19. First row began with the first row. You won't get, but here you have 1. So next 0.17 you have got, and the next second row 1, 2. So we'll get 2 in the second row. So what is 0.16? Another one is 0.18. 0.20 don't include. So we have got 2 more. Third row. 16, 17, 18, 19. You won't get. Fourth row 16, 17, 18, 19. 18 I have got. In fourth row 1 I have got. Last row 16, 18, 17, 19. Search for those numbers. In fourth row we won't get any numbers. So how many numbers we have got? 4, isn't it? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have got 4. Next, what we have to do? Move for the last one, that is 0.20, 0.24. So why I have stopped here? Because C for the highest value. What is the highest value in the given data? So when you observe 0.22 is the highest. So which lie between 0.20 and 0.24. So it is the highest. So you can stop here. So this is the last one. We have to find it. So let me find this. As I told you, include 0.20, 0.21, 0.22, 0.23. Now, see in the first row, do you get any numbers? 0.20, 21, 22, 23. 20, 21, 22, 23 you have to get. In the first row you won't get. Second row, 20, you have 120, that is 0.20. Move to third row. Here you have 22, 0.22. Move to fourth row. So you won't get any numbers. Move to the last row. So only you will get two numbers, isn't it? So you will get two numbers. So that is 1 and 2 where 0.22. Another one is 0.20 here. So you'll get only 2. So what you have to do at final, you have to verify whether you have got 30 days. How to verify it? By totaling it. So you have to get total as 30. If you not get 30 as the total, you have to recheck it once. So that's why verify it whether you have got for 30 days. Check it. 4 plus 9, that is 13. 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 2, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So we have got total as 30. So we have verified it. So what we have to write? We have completed the class interval by using frequency table. We have written frequency table also. And what we need to find next. So in the first one we have completed. This is first one. What we need to find, how for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million. We have to find how many days, means you have to check it for frequency. So frequency is nothing but these are the days. Class interval is nothing but this is the sulfur concentration of sulfur dioxide, isn't it? It is sulfur dioxide concentration. This frequency indicates the days, number of days. What we need to find for the second one, for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11, means more than 0.11 means you have to take more than 0.11 means here. Can you see this? More than 0.11. Here you have to see more than 0.11. Between these you can see this is more than 0.11 means observe not included 0.11. Got it? More than 0.11 means you have to take more than that. They have not mentioned equals to 0.11 and more than 0.11. So more than means it should be greater than 1. So greater than 1 means it starts from here. That is 0.12, isn't it? Greater than 0.11 means the next digit is 0.12. So you have to consider this part. Why you have to consider this part? Because more than 0.11. You can take any numbers after this. So when you consider these three rows, what are the numbers? That is 2. For this interval, what you have got 2. For the next interval, 4. For the next interval, 2. When you add it, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. For 8 days, the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11, isn't it? It is more than 0.1. This is also more than 0.1. This is also more than 0.1. So, for 8 days, the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11. It is more than 0.11. This completes fifth one. Move. Move to sixth one. Move to sixth one. They have given 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. So they have taken 3 coins. You know, one part will be head and one part will be tail, isn't it? They have taken 3 coins. This one, first coin, second coin, third coin. Let me take these 3 coins. As you know, one will be head and one will be tail. 3 coins were tossed how many times? For 30 times they have tossed it. For 30 times they have tossed it simultaneously. At a time they have tossed it. At a time they have tossed it. So each time the number of heads occurring was noted down. They have only noted the number of times of the head, isn't it? So number of times of the head. They have not noted the number of times they have got tail. They have only noted how many times they have got number of heads. For example, if they have tossed simultaneously or at a time they have tossed 3 coins. So one will be get head and one will be get tail and another one will get tail. So they only noted only one head in this time. For the first time, how many heads they have got? One head. Like that, they'll note it down. So similarly, they have given data. What they have given data? It is the number of heads. How many times they have got number of heads. So they have given each time the number of heads occurring was noted. They have given 0. What does that mean? When they have tossed 3 coins, all were tail. They have not got head. That's why they have taken as 0. Number of heads are 0. So next one, 1. What is that meaning? What is the meaning of that number? So when they have tossed 3 coins, they have got 1 as head, 2 as tail. That's why they have considered only 1. As I told you, they have written only counting the number of heads. They have not counted the tail. So what is that meaning? 1 means only 1 head they have got when they have tossed it for the second time. Similarly, for the third time, how many? They have got 2 has head and 1 as tail. That's why they have noted for the third time they have got 2 as head. So next, similarly, you can write that. Understood? What is the meaning of those numbers? Similarly, for the fourth time, they have got 2 heads, one head. Next, they have tossed it. They have got 2 head. Next, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. What is this meaning? 3. 3 means when they have tossed 3 coins, they have got it 3. Also head. I've got it 3 heads. So next 3, 1, 3, 0. Let me check. 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 0. So in the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have given 10 numbers in the first row. So they are given 3 columns. So 10 threes are 30. There are 30. So next, move to second row. 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1. The last row. 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 0. So when you look here, what we need to write, what we need to find, prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. For the data given above. For the data given above, we need to check this one and we need to write the data. What we have to write? Class intervals and also frequency. How will you write class interval for this? As I told you, when you observe the numbers, you have only 0, 1, 2, 3. That means, so there are no heads, only one head, 2 heads, and 3 heads. For this only we have to write class interval. When they have got no heads, you have to see for the frequency. When they have got one head, you have to check it. When they have got only one as a head, you have to check it. When they have got 2 as head, you have to count it and write the frequency. Similarly, for 3, it is too easy, right? So check it from, as I told, either frequency wise or column wise. Either you can search it in a row wise or column wise. So now let me start from the beginning. That is the first number. What I have written is 0. So what you need to do, what you have to do is you have to check this number in the given data. If you have got 0, count it the number of times. 1, 2, in the first row, 2 we have got. In the second row, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are there? There are 6 zeros. And move to next. Similarly, you can do it for the next one. For the 1, check it. First row, 1, 2, 3. In the first row, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second row, we have completed with 8. And the last row, 9, 10. So how many have? So this 10. So 10 times they have got 1 as head. That is the meaning. This is number of times. This frequency will say you this is the number of times they have got head. So 10 times they have got 1 as head. Next move is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you will get 9 as 2. And move to next 3. Begin from first row. 1, 2, 3. Last row 4, 5. You will get 3 as 5. What you have to do now? You have to total. Why you have to total it? To verify. How many times they have tossed it? 30 times, isn't it? If you get 30, that means the given data is correct. What you have written, not given data, what you have written, the solution is correct. So total it now. 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So 30 is the total. So it is verified, it's correct. So next, we will continue in the next class. So recall what I have told you, how to write the frequency, how to write the class intervals. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.